Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin render. What's a realistic price expectation for render in 2026? We're still expecting that elusive altcoin season pump. We're expecting altcoins to go crazy. Render with a market cap of $908 million, currently trades around $1.75. So how high can render go in 2026? What are those key levels to watch out for? If we're going to see a big pump to the upside, if the bears are right, if we see extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market, how low will render possibly go in 2026? We look at render's performance against the US dollar, render performance against both Ethereum and Bitcoin. We'll now look at render's market cap. We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. If you want to become a member, if you want to become a legend, don't forget link in the description. Render over the last 1 month is up 3%. The last 1 week has seen it shed 7.5% of its gain. The last 1 year has seen Render token dump by 58.5%. But we have to be positive. We have to be optimistic. Big players are buying. There's a lot of positive side. There's a lot of positive signs on the chart. The next few weeks is going to be very interesting. The altcoin market, we've seen Render find support around the $1.2 level. Look how Render did in 2023. We found support there. That was the launch pad for us to pump to new all-time highs. And Render has been trading there since December of 2025. We found support there. We even went below the $1.2 level in February. But if you look at Render's RSI, it's a huge bullish divergence right there. We saw render price dropping below $1.29, but the RSI continue pumping to higher values. The next few months, we might see a lot of these altcoins go crazy. And one important level to watch out for render in 2026 is going to be the previous all-time highs. We saw render got to that $8.83 level. That was way back in 2021. In 2024, we rallied past there, but we have not comfortably spent enough weeks around that $8.8 level. So I'm not be sure, guys, if the maximum price we see render trade in the next few weeks and the next few months, or maybe in 2026, is going to be that $8.8 level. For render to go there, we'll see it pump by more than 385%. Remember, guys, we're playing a game right here, and that game is the game of buying low and selling high, buying when the market is in extreme fear and selling when the market returns to greed. That has been the winning formula in the cryptocurrency market. I don't think this time is different. We have seen extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market over the last few months, and I expect sentiment to slowly improve. If you look at the crypto fear and greed index, you can see that sentiment is slowly already improving. So the next few weeks, I believe all coins will pump, Bitcoin will pump, but I believe most of those pumps are going to be happening in the altcoin market, with all coins having their own time in the sun. Where all coins pump, they go crazy. When Render also pumps, actually go crazy. Look how Render did way back in 2023 when it was trading around the $0.4 level. Saw it pumping to new all-time highs, and around 441 days, we saw Render token pumping by more than 3,200%. And before then too, way back in 2021, Render token also had a crazy pump to the moon. We saw it rallying from the $0.04 level to as high as $9.2. We saw Render token pumping by more than 21,000%. That means $1,000 invested in Render would have returned more than $210,000. On our way to the $8 level, on our way to the new all-time highs, we might face some difficult resistance around that $3.6, $3.7 level. We saw Render token maneuvering around that price over the last few months of 2025. No, in the middle of 2025, we saw Render token rallying and getting stopped out there before we eventually dumped Goblin Town. So that $3.7 level is going to be very important. For what we're currently trading, Render token needs to pump around 110% to get there. For us to get to new all-time highs, we're going to see more than a 600% pump to the upside. While market participants crazy about Render token, while we're still accumulating Render token, even though it feels as if all coins are dumping, all coins are going to zero, that's general consensus in the market, is because Render Network is the leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solution, revolutionizing the digital creation process. The network connects node operators looking to monetize their idle GPU compute power with artists looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work and application to the cloud. Through a decentralized peer-to-peer network, the render network achieves unprecedented levels of scale, speed, and economic efficiency. On top of a decentralized GPU computing network, Render provides a platform for artists and developers to build services and applications for the emerging digital economy. Render token has a market cap of $908 million, a fully diluted market cap sitting at $1.12 billion. And the all-time high happened on the 17th of March 2024, where it got to as high as $13.6. To the bearish perspective now, there's always that possibility that the bottom is not in for another token. There's always that possibility that the bears are right. There's a possibility that we'll head back into extreme fear. Because right now, pessimism is at an all-time highs. Yes, all coins are down bad. Yes, render over the last 1 year is down 58%. And the bears believe there's still one more leg down. The bears believe we are still dumping to Goblin Tower. And it's always smart to always think about the worst case scenario. It's always smart to have a plan in case we see render token going lower. Smart money is going to buy more, the lower we go. So I expect render token, if we see a big dump, that's a big if we see a big dump, render token should find support around that $0.38 level. And from where we're currently trading right now, that will see catastrophic dump for render token. That will see it losing around 79% of its value. But let's not be shocked, guys. That's how all coins are. If you look at render token did in the past, we saw it go from $8.9, we saw it dump towards where we're currently trading right now. Then it was down 90%. It felt that went down another 80% again, which means by the time it got to the bottom of that 2022 bear market, render token was down 96% from its all-time highs. Right now, from the all-time highs where we got to in 2024, render token is down 87%. I'm expecting big pumps for render token over the next few days and the next few weeks. If you look at render token's performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum, right now it's outperforming Ethereum. We're seeing it up more than 89% against Ethereum. I expect it to continue outperforming Ethereum over the next few weeks as we see all coins pumping to higher prices. When the market gets bullish, when market participants get optimistic, they start running towards the altcoin market. The same thing happens when the market is bearish, so it's no surprise to see render token has been dumping against both Bitcoin and Ethereum since 2024. But I believe the tide is changing right now. The bulls are making a strong move. If you look at RSI, we're seeing so many bullish divergence for render against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, and against the US dollar. So don't be shocked to see render token outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum by 100, maybe 200% at some point in time in 2026. All season feels like a distant memory, but I believe 2026 is going to be that year. We're going to see all coins pump again. For render tokens market cap to get to new all-time highs, we need to blast above the $1 billion level. We see render tokens market cap blast past $5.6 billion. In 2024, we saw it get to as high as $5.6 billion in December of 2024. There was a clear sign there, bearish divergence, to tell us that the top was in. And even though the US dollar price chart didn't get to new all-time highs in 2024, because the all-time highs on the US dollar price chart came in March when it got to $13. In December of 2024, render token really got to as high as $10.6. The market cap got to new all-time highs. You might be wondering, why is the discrepancy between the market cap and the US dollar price chart? Because more tokens were coming into circulation. Render token has total supply of 533 million tokens. 580 million of those tokens are in circulation. The maximum supply is 644 million tokens. From where we are currently trading right now, for render token to get to new all-time highs, we have to see the market cap rally up by more than 529%. And I believe at some point in time, 2026, we'll see it set that all-time highs. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you on render token? Do you believe we can set new all-time highs in 2026? Where will you be selling your stash for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.